Hello, welcome back. I'm Mrs. Crotzer, and today I'm going to talk to you about Pascal's triangle. Pascal's triangle is named after the mathematician Blaise Pascal. He made this in the 17th century, but it's also thought to have first originated in China, so sometimes it's referred to as the Chinese triangle. What it looks like is it has it can go on and on, but we have it just through row 7. The first one is row 0, and it has just 1. Then row 1 has 2 1s, then 1, 2, 1, and so forth. And then when you go down here, it gets a little more complex. There's 1, 7, 21, 35, 35, 21, 7, and 1. We'll explain a little bit about that in a minute. We're going to talk today about the patterns in Pascal's triangle. First of all, just the basic one is the sequencing. If you look over here, you have all 1s down the side, all 1s down this side, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then as you look at it right here, it has 1, 3, 6, 10. If you look closely at it, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. You keep adding on one more digit, so now you're going to add 6 plus 4, then 10 plus 5 equals 15, and so forth. And to find the number when you're constructing it, the best way, if you start with 1, then you do these two, and you're just going to, this number right here, or this number is going to be what the 2 above it equal to. So 3 plus 3 is 6, and then if you go down, 4 plus 6 is 10. And then even to construct the next row, you say you're stuck on 1 and 3, you would take the 1 and the 3 and then add that together, and that's how you get the number below it. Now, to talk about another pattern in it, one interesting thing that Pascal's triangle does is it takes the second row, or the row, and takes it 2 to the power of that row. So this is row 0, the pattern, or that makes 2 to the power of 0, which is 1. And this we're adding together. Let me grab this. And then row 2 would be 2 to the power of 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. And then if you want to try it on another one, we can do 1 plus 4, 6, working over my little accident there before. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 6 is 11, plus 4 is 15, plus 1 is 16. Now, to test that out, we can do, I'll write it over here, we're testing out row 4. That would be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which would be 2, if we broke it up, 4 times 4, and that equals 16. So it works on that one. And then the one that everyone seems to like is the hockey stick pattern. I started doing some of them a minute ago. Basically, it makes the shape of a hockey stick, and they add together to the number that's at the bottom of the hockey stick. So right here you have 1 plus 4 plus 10, which is 5 plus 10 equals 15, and that's the one that I already started on right there. And then you have 1 plus 5 plus 15, which would be 6 plus 15 is 21. We can try that on another one right here. 1 plus 3 plus 6 equals 10. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 6 equals 10. Hope you've learned a little bit about Pascal's triangle. There are so many more patterns that are to discover, but these are just a few. Thank you.